Why do these metal birds even exist? And who built these secret and powerful aircraft? Let's find out. It all started in 1912, when two brothers named Alan and Malcolm founded a small aircraft company named Alco, a hydroaeroplane company later known as Lockheed Aircraft Manufacturing Company. As the name Lockheed was hard to pronounce, so it became Lockheed, which later produced some of the most advanced aircraft and fighter jets. During World War II, Lockheed became famous for building powerful military aircraft like the P-38 Lightning. Then came Skunk Works, Lockheed's secret division that created legendary aircraft like the SR-71 Blackbird. In 1995, Lockheed merged with Martin Marietta, creating Lockheed Martin, a company that helped shape modern aerospace with some of the world's most advanced aircraft, including the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Today, Lockheed Martin builds stealth fighters, spacecraft, satellites, and the future of aerospace.